make a corned beef hash in my kitchen in Thailand. Alright, so I brought corned beef with us, brought some onions and potatoes here, salt and pepper, and we couldn't get Worcester sauce, so we're going to use a bit of Maggi and get it all going on here. See how it turns out. Just going to wash those two, not peel them, leave the skin on and give them a good fry up with some onions before I put the corned beef in. We'll see how it turns out. We'll give them a wash up outside over here, and then take them back into the kitchen. I'll let them dry out for a bit. Right, I'm going to chop these up into little cubes with that. Small because they'll cook easier. That's only 2 potatoes, but there's a lot there. That'll do. I'm just going to soak them for a few hours, let them soften up. Let them soak for a little bit. All you got to do is chop up the onions now, get the corned beef out and fry it all together. We'll let them soak for a couple of hours, see how they turn out. One big onion, and the one I used yesterday, they're big onions, I mean, they're a size. I'll chop them up really finely like the potatoes so they cook nice and easy. That one big onion, a little bit of the other one was enough. I'm not going to overdo it, that'll do. These are always difficult to open. They can go pear-shaped. I've started it. If I can just get it off, I'll leave it in the fridge and I can just spoon it out into the frying pan when it's ready. We're going alright so far. I don't want to jinx it though. Yes, an overwhelming success. I'll pop that away till I'm ready to cook and just spoon it all out. Superb. We're in business. Like you can't believe. Drain the potatoes. Frying pan's ready. Get a bit of oil in there. Get them on. Let's get this corned beef hash going. This Thailand one. Yeah. Right, so the oil's on. Gonna throw a bit of butter in there. Do the spuds first. Nice bit of butter. That'll go right through the potatoes with the corned beef hash. Alright. Alright. Look at that. Lovely, lovely. Rawang. Khao Jai mate. Potatoes in. Lovely stuff. Get salt and pepper on these while they're going. Lovely. You really let these soften through for a bit. Then get these in. And then the star of the show. In the meantime, while I'm cooking, I've picked out a lovely little number called Hong Fong. We'll have a bit of that. With a bit of Coke. Oh, lovely stuff. They're coming up nicely now. Time to get the onions in. They're browning up nicely now, like little chips. Time to get the onions in. Go on. The onions are in. There's the start of the show though. Ready to rock and roll. Turn the heat off a bit, let's put a bit of the Maggi in. Get that cooking up. Let's get the star of the show in. This is the game changer. Hashing away nicely now. Give it a bit more of this. A little bit of squirt. Give it a bit of liquid. Bit of pepper. Bit of salt. It's going to be golden. Bit more pepper. Go on. Right, I'm going to let it brown off a bit. Looking good. Lovely stuff. I'm doing the corned beef hash, mate. Get up there, boy. Get up there. Cheers. This. It's done, but I want to get a bit of crust on it. It is absolutely pucker. Tasted it already. It's pucker, mate. And then what you can do, let it cool down, put some in the fridge, put it back in the pan tomorrow. And you know what? You're golden. Bosh! That's done now. I'll turn it off, let it cool down. Have a little bowl. You can put it in the fridge and then just warm it up tomorrow. Fantastic. The corned beef hash. Final product.